Wow. Oh my God.
Congratulations.
The goodie present
You're a
here.
failure.
That my boyfriend. That my boyfriend. Yes, I know I wrong him, but at least let me go and beg him. At least he give me money. He give me money to buy something. At least to buy this hair, this shoe, this all this good things. I don't know whether he will forgive me or I don't know. I wrong him, but I don't know whether is going to forgive me. At least if he send me this 500,000 naira now, I would
You
have used
gotta
200
trust man.
and buy
Man,
this
hand
hair.
down.
Use 150 buy that shoe
Your
online.
eyes will see what your
So let
mouth
me go
cannot
and look for
talk.
him, but I pray so he will forgive me. Let me go and look for him and ask him for forgiveness.
Yes,
Yes, yes. Oh, baby.
I beg you. Where are you going?
Babe, good afternoon.
I beg, take you. Nothing is good this afternoon. Come out from my way.
Why is your face like this now?
Don't ask
You
me. You
gotta
have no
trust
right to
man.
ask me.
I'm
Man,
sorry. I
hand
am sorry now.
Come out from my way. I will
Let
stand
me-
you.
let
I
me-
know
what
you
your
do
mouth
very
cannot
well.
sorry.
Respect
Okay,
yourself.
I want to say something.
Say what?
Please, I'm so sorry.
Come out from my road first.
Anything why I don't do way in like, I am sorry.
You are
I
sorry.
don't. Yes, I
For
don't
this
accept.
October.
Please,
Abeg, come
I've
out from my
accepted
way.
it's my fault.
If I will stand you,
I
you
am
faint
sorry.
here.
I am sorry.
I no
now.
get joy.
Babe, I love you.
No, they touch me now.
I love you now.
No, they touch me.
I
Oga,
am
come out.
Babe, I am
No,
sorry.
they sorry me. I no need them.
I was going to your house.
You don't
I'm
know where you are
sorry.
going.
I'm sorry, babe.
I
I
don't need you
love
again.
you.
I don't need. I'm not interested in anything
You have to
relationship
be. You
with
have
you
to be
again.
interested, though.
I don't need you again.
Without you,
Okay,
I cannot live. But without you,
since
I
we
cannot
have
leave
issue, you
you.
did not come back to
No,
bed.
no,
But you have
no,
entered
no,
October,
no.
and you remember that you will come back. I
Without
beg,
you, I
leave
can.
leave me.
Without you, I cannot live. I am sorry now.
You better
I
die.
love you.
Without
I
me, you cannot
love
live.
you.
I know they touch me.
I love
See, let
you
me tell you
now.
something you don't know. Since I break up with you, see, I'm performing well. See, I look at my body so fresh, and all the money I for spend in your head,
I am
I'm
sorry.
going to use
I
it and
love
buy
you
land.
now, babe. Can't you see it in my eyes?
I'm not seeing anything. I'm seeing Apollo. I'm not seeing anything. I'm going to use the money I for spend in your head to
I
buy
am
land.
sorry.
Don't baby me again. Respect yourself. If you touch me anyhow, now I will stand you. Go your way. I'm going on my way.
Oh God. See what I've got myself into now. Eh? Where will I start now, God? Hey!
Because follow me, please. Oh, please. Follow me. Follow me.